Hi, Michelle from Jubilee TV. I'm going to show you how Jubilee TV reduces the daily strain of caring for an aging loved one without requiring them to learn any new technology. This is the Jubilee TV console that connects to the older adult's TV. There's a built-in web camera with a physical privacy cover, and there's also a microphone in here. This connects to the older adult's television. It works with any TV with HDMI, and then you add their cable or satellite box, streaming device. You can add up to 3 devices with HDMI. We offer a range of control options that are designed to evolve with the senior as their needs change. Our all-in-one voice remote. There is a snap-on cover that simplifies the voice remote. Existing remotes will continue to work. We also offer a simple 6-button remote for dementia. This is a simple home screen that makes it easy for the older adult to find what they want to watch. They can select a source here. They can say the name of an app and it'll switch over. Netflix, switching over to the Roku, opening Netflix. They can say a channel name or number. ABC, it's going to switch over to the cable box and find the right channel. We can also press the guide button, which is going to reveal a family curated selection of channels. We can set it so pressing channel up and down will cycle through only those favorite channels. If they do need additional support, that's where the Jubilee TV Family app comes in. From the home screen, we select Telescope, and here we have a live view of the TV and full control. So we can change channels, adjust volume, power the TV on and off, switch over to streaming, and we have full control. We can start a show. If mom gets logged out of Netflix, we can get her logged back in. Next, let's look at how Jubilee TV allows families to stay connected. We're going to call with Auto Connect. The TV is going to turn on automatically, and then that call is going to connect automatically. The older adult does not need to press any buttons, know any apps, or learn anything new. Here on the app, you can see I have a nice wide view of mom in her space. I can zoom in and out. I can control the TV volume and stop the webcam from here. On the TV, you'll notice we have live closed captions on this call. I can also add additional family members to this call, either those that are already connected on the app, or I can use a one-time link so someone without the app can join from a browser. I can also send messages, photos, and videos to the TV. So I can say, "Hi, Mom," and that is going to pop up on her screen. Reminders are similar. So I can set reminders for things like doctor's appointments and medication, or I can schedule the TV to take an action. So it's going to turn on and turn to the channel that has the baseball game at the right time, so mom never misses her favorite team playing. Lastly, we have our peace of mind monitoring features. Drop-in is a one-way video and audio feed into the room, so I can see and hear what's happening. I can zoom in and out. An activity feed gives me a granular view of all of the activity that's happening in the space in front of the TV. I can have it take photos with those, so I can see when someone enters or leaves the room, remote control usage, TV power on and off, and I can set notifications when those events are happening. So this is a great way for me to just keep an eye on routines of the day, see if anything's out of the ordinary without having to disrupt mom's daily activity. These are a few of the ways that families are using Jubilee TV to support their aging loved ones and help them age with independence and dignity.